Hello everyone, hope you are guys doing good. So today I am very pretty much excited about that. I am going to teach you about if you want to make your own chatbot without any coding and without spending any money. So here is a tool, and tool name is BoatPress. So BoatPress actually is allow you to connect your knowledge base with any website, any document, or even database. So don't worry, in this complete video I am going to teach you about how you can create your own dashboard. So let's get back to the demo site. So this is my website. I am using this website as a knowledge base. So this website has different pages, and under the pages we have sub pages. So all the things is going here. So I'm going to click on create chatbot, and after that it's showing me that a message. I'm going to edit it, and now we have you will see few templates. So I am going to use a start from scratch template, but you can explore this one as well. So start from scratch template and click use template. So keep in mind that this is a no coding environment. So you have a start, and in the middle of you have an activity, and then end activity. So you can I am going to delete this because I am going to start from scratch, and the purpose of this training is that I have to train you. Add a new card here, okay, and then I am going to use any text message when my bot start, so it will respond me like hi. Okay, so here I type the message when someone start my bot, so it say hi. And I'm going to use any expression like always. You can use different one, it depends on you. And now I'm going to connect start with my activity standard, and now I'm going to use one more activity which is actually connect with my knowledge base. So I'm going to explain where is my knowledge base is. So my knowledge base is website which I show you earlier. So I'm going to name this activity, and then here is the knowledge base and which I'm going to connect with. So for that, I knowledge base or any document, PDF, Word, so I'm going to use raw input. I'm finding the raw input. Okay, so here is raw input. So I drag it raw input in my card, and after that let me remove this away, and I'm connected with my one activity, or you can say card with like that. Here is my website, and I am going to use same website which I show in beginning of the video. So this is my website, and what it will actually do, it will actually discover that website. It will index all the pages from the website. So here is a list of pages, 4000 pages, more than 4000 pages, and definitely it will take time to index because it's a very huge website. And now indexing is started. So once the indexing is started, so your chatbot is ready. So let me quickly forward this process, and I'm going to back my mini screen. Okay, so let me run this chatbot. Hi, it will return hi, and now I'm going to prompt some more text. What is the fitness, let me say, because the website is related to fitness, diets, and like other stuffs. So here you get the response, and now I'm going to publish this if my bot is working fine. So publishing mean my bot is now available to any public. So I can use iframe or anything where I can embed this output in any my personal website as well. So here is the output. So I hope uh, you can develop the similar things by your own without any cost, without any spending any difficulty. So that will be actually my purpose of this video. So, and let me prompt something, so it's processing again, and here's the result. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do comment if you like this video. Thanks.